This video will demonstrate how to create an out-of-office message. We often do that if we're on vacation or if we're going for a training, but in this particular case, we're going to set an out-of-office message directing people, informing people that we have a new email address. So first thing I want to do, there's a couple different videos based on the version that you have. So from inside your Outlook, if you'll go to File and then Help, and look over to your right under Office, it'll say Microsoft Office Professional. Like this is 2010, which a lot of people have. Some have it, Office 2013. So there's a different video for that version. But if you have 2010, you're watching the correct version. If not, you might want to close this out and go back to our Greg Tech Tips and look for the version that says Office 2013. Okay, so knowing we have the right version, let's go back to home and look for the email that I sent to you with the subject line out of office. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you want to use this message, and it has been approved for us to use this message, you can just copy it, highlight it, right click and copy. Of course, if you note, it's got my name, so you'll want to change your name there. Alright, so let's go now back to File, and right inside File you'll see Automatic Replies Out of Office, and click there. Okay, and once your window appears, you can click Send Automatic Replies, and you can, let's go ahead and schedule it, and you're going to hit this check mark and drop down, and you're going to schedule it to start January the 11th. And let's just say, let's start it at 8 a.m. And let's run it through February the 15th. Alright, and click in your box. Now, if you notice, I'm right clicking, but nothing happens. So you're not going to be able to right click and paste, but when you click in the box and you have a cursor that's blinking, hold down the Control key, and while holding down the Control key, press the letter V, and that will paste it in there. And at that point, you can click and go over and you can delete my name out with the delete key and put your name in both locations, and then click OK. So once you have your message like you want it, and if you want to run it outside your organization, and I would probably just go ahead and run it in both, click in there and do the Control V again. The same schedule works for both, obviously, and then just click the OK button. And now that is scheduled. So Monday morning, January the 11th at 8 a.m., anyone that starts emailing you from that point forward is going to get the message. Okay, now another thing that I want to show you is you can also do this exact steps. Let's pull it over here in Outlook Web. You can go to webmail.gov and do the very same thing I did. You can go in the top right corner under Options after you've signed in, right under Options, set Automatic Replies. Now as you notice, it will sync up what you do in Outlook. It's already got in Outlook what I asked it to do, or already in Webmail. But you can go straight to here if you're on a home computer or something and you want to go ahead and set this up. You can just go to Webmail and it's the very same procedure. So that is how you do an out-of-office message.